Dear friends, greetings from my channel. I'm excited to share a delightful treat with you today. My homemade spicy cheese twists, incredibly delicious. These twists promise a savory experience. Feel free to customize the cheese and herbs pairings to match your preferences. These cheese twists are sure to steal the spotlight at any gathering. So let's begin creating these scrumptious spicy cheese twists together. In a medium-sized bowl, combine approximately 1 cup of grated mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder, roughly 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander leaves, and a half teaspoon of salt. Mix the ingredients thoroughly and set aside. On a lightly floured work surface, roll the thawed pastry dough into a 12-inch square. In a small bowl, whisk an egg and use a pastry brush to lightly coat the pastry with the beaten egg. Evenly spread the cheese mixture over 1/2 of the pastry sheet. Fold the other half of the pastry sheet over the cheese-covered portion and press with your palms and a rolling pin to bind the cheese to the pastry. Using either a knife or a pizza cutter, slice the dough into a 1/2-inch strips. Carefully twist the strips into spirals, ensuring not to stretch the dough, and arrange them on the prepared baking tray. Brush the top surface with the beaten egg using a pastry brush. Bake in a preheated oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake until the twists become crispy and golden brown, typically around 12 to 16 minutes. Allow them to cool on the baking sheet for at least 5 minutes. Serve the spicy cheese twists warm or at room temperature. For the best experience, enjoy them on the day they are made. Dear friends, thank you for watching. And I trust you have relished creating these spicy cheese twists as much as I have. The blend of mozzarella, herbs, and a hint of cayenne pepper creates a symphony of flavors in every bite. I genuinely hope the process was as enjoyable for you as it was for me, and I can't wait to share another spicy wonder with you shortly. Stay tuned for more delights, and thank you for being a part of our flavorful journey. Bye for now. We'll see you soon.